Turn off the machine and unplug it from the power source. Close the bean trap lever and remove the hopper. Unscrew the grind regulator. Loosen the Allen screws from the upper cover and remove the cover. Take off the silicone burr holder seal. Loosen the fixing screws from the crown wheel. Turn the regulator clockwise until it can be removed. Remove the burrs. Take out the lower burr holder and use a tool to block the motor shaft from turning. Clean out the inside of the grinder. Place the new burrs in the burr holders. Replace the upper burr holder and turn it counterclockwise until the burrs touch. Screw on the crown wheel. Replace the silicone seal. Screw on the upper cover. Replace the side regulator. Replace the hopper, turning it clockwise. On the display menu, reset to 0.